So the idea with the HP Elite X3 bundle is the fact that it comes with this dock, which we actually have pictured over at bcchardware.com. And the benefit of that is the fact that you can actually just take your phone, you can drop it into the dock, which actually will charge, and on the back of the dock is all the stuff you need as well for extra USB connections. And once it's docked, it takes a couple of seconds, but then you've got your Windows 10 interface. And with a mouse and a keyboard that we're using here just for kind of mobility purposes, we actually have access to do everything we need to do with Windows 10 on the desktop, while at the same time we actually can continue to use Windows 10 on our phone if we want as well. It's not as, with this dock, there's other dock options where it's just a cable. You can actually continue to do more stuff. But as it is with this, it's actually usable to do what you need to do. So with the device docked, we actually can sit there and we can actually do whatever we need to do on our Windows 10 interface like we would at our desktop computer, including run things like Word. We can actually launch Word, among other applications here. This has not been ran before, so this is going to be off of first boot. Now that it is ran, it would actually be quicker to switch back and forth to different things. But you know, right there we can actually check out reviews that I've written from this device. Right here on this device we've got access to Word. Welcome back. The last time I did this one was January 1st. And then we can switch, again, long press and hold, just like we would on the phone on the back button. Or you can actually use the multiple desktop button to do that. So we launch Word. We're going to go jump into the Windows Store as well. We're going to load up a few different applications here, including maybe our Instagram feed as well as different things here. Interesting that applications such as Xbox Castle Siege works fine on here. We don't want to quit. We were in here before. So now we can actually play those mobile games full screen if that's what we want to do. It's definitely a possibility. And then to get back out of here, you just hold down towards the bottom of the screen. The taskbar slides up at the bottom, and then you can switch desktop interfaces as well. We'll jump back into Word. So it's actually quite amazing how useful this is. It's not going to be used for everybody, but if we want to do, to create a new document, it's very simple to do what we need to do. And the keyboard, with being it's a Bluetooth keyboard right to the device, actually works very well. And then of course we can close out of there or save, cancel, whatever we want to do. No, I don't want to really save that, not concerned about that. And then we can switch back while that's doing, back into the store, install applications, whatever we need to do. Very remarkable what is capable through Continuum. Is it perfect? Not at all. Is it better than a Chromebook? And this is where I actually will say, yes, this is actually better than a Chromebook. If I had a choice for day-to-day stuff, I would actually probably choose to use this over top of a Chromebook. I find it easier to use, to be honest. It just works well for me. For what I've been doing here at bcchardware.com, I love the fact that all of my files are synchronized through OneDrive, and it's just easy to access that. And if you need to do quick photo editing, there's applications for that, of course, including the one we were using was Adobe Photoshop Express, as well as even just the built-in photo app through HP actually worked very well as well. So lots of options, lots of great choice in a business device, and Continuum, it just works. Drop it out of there, you're good to go. You want to come back, you know what, just drop it in the dock, and you'll be back up and running in moments. And the nifty thing is, above and beyond all of it, if you want to use your phone, if you're using it wirelessly or with a cable, you can actually use your phone as a touchpad and move the mouse around with your phone as well. So, that's more flexibility. Interesting too that Windows 10 supports wireless displays. You can go through here in the Continuum app and you can actually choose to set this up. I guess probably not when it's plugged in here, but you can actually choose to set it up either as a wireless display or a wired display. Right there, you can set it up as a wireless adapter, so you can actually push it right to your Windows 10 device, whether it's a desktop or a laptop on a Wi-Fi network. Of course, you're going to see some lag there, but it has that flexibility built into it to be your Chromecast, to push whatever content is on this screen to a larger screen if it's running Windows 10. So there you have it. That's Windows Continuum on the HP Elite X3 bundle with the dock. Multiple cases. Each case has a different docking cradle, so it fits properly. And you can see really it works quite well. It's quite snappy, and it gives you access to not all, but most of your Windows 10 applications. Now, Continuum will get more and more support. It will support other things that are currently grayed out in the menu here. Some of those will not work natively, like Netflix application doesn't work natively, but you can launch, of course, you can launch the Edge browser and surf on over to Netflix and watch your content that way. So on the desktop experience, works great. I have got no complaints with HP's Elite X3 bundle when it comes to Continuum support. It actually is very good. Make sure you check out our video of the walkthrough of the mobile interface as well as the full review over at bcchardware.com. So again, this is Ben Hyde here with HP's Elite X3 bundle, showing off Windows 10 Continuum from the mobile device.